Hey guys, it's Francis Mario BDK once again, here to teach you how to make money from YouTube, doing the simple things that you do every day. Anybody can make money from YouTube. As long as you're dedicated, you can make money from YouTube. And it's that simple. Believe me, it's that simple. Our topic for today is baby steps to making money from YouTube. Baby steps to making money from YouTube. Now, the first thing you need to know is that for you to be able to make money from YouTube, definitely you're going to own a YouTube channel. So, the first step towards making money from YouTube, of course, is to have a Google account and to create a YouTube channel. This video is not a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a new YouTube channel. You can always find lots of videos on YouTube or just ask Google how to create a new YouTube channel. It's very simple. You create your first channel. With your channel, you'll be able to make money from YouTube. So you need to know that for you to make money from YouTube, first you need a YouTube channel. So that's why I put it as number one. How to create a new YouTube channel. So that's your first assignment. Ask Google how to create a new YouTube channel, and you'll find multiple sources to teach you how to create a new YouTube channel. So I'll jump into the second thing right away, which is making your first YouTube video. Making your first YouTube video. It could be like an introductory video, something simple, not too long, maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, as you desire. So let's take a look at making your first YouTube video. What you need to do, or what you need to put in this your first YouTube video. First of all, you introduce yourself. Then secondly, what the content your fans or followers will be seeing, your subscribers will be expecting to see on your new channel. What is your channel about, and what should subscribers be expecting? What is your channel about, and what should subscribers be expecting? So you let your subscribers know what they should be expecting from you, the content you want to give. It could be a personal channel, it could be a brand channel. So if your channel is a brand channel, maybe you're creating your channel for a particular brand or for your company or something. You let people know, you let your subscribers know what to expect. If it's a personal channel, you want to do family fun time, anything at all, let your subscribers know what they expect from your channel. And then you appeal for support and subscription. You ask people to encourage you by supporting you. Since you're starting up your new channel, that you're going to need their support. You appeal to them that you're going to need their support to share your videos, to like your videos, to subscribe to your channel. You ask people to subscribe to your channel. A lot of times you could make beautiful videos and people love your video, but if you don't ask them to subscribe, many people will just watch your video and eventually leave and continue with some other videos out there. But that I'm simply asking please subscribe to my channel. It's something that it doesn't cost anything. Just they click on the subscribe button. If people love your channel, many of them will be willing to subscribe. But if you don't ask, many will forget. If you don't ask, many of them won't even remember that they have to subscribe to your channel. So you need to people ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel. If you're still watching this video right now, that means you're interested in what I'm saying, and I'm appealing to you to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be putting out lots of other videos that will encourage you, that will help you to actually make real money, good money from YouTube. So I'm asking you to please subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification button, the bell button. Click on the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then one thing that is also good to let your subscribers know is how often you will be publishing. How often you're publishing a new video. Maybe say once a week, twice a week. Let them know so they know when to expect a new video from you. Then from your first video too, you can give your subscribers a peek of what your next video is going to be about. At least give them that make them anticipate your next video. Find something interesting for your next video, make them anticipate your next video, so that they will want to come back and watch what you have for them again. Then again, you appeal for their support. Again, it's very important. You appeal for their support, you appeal for their subscription. This support and subscription is very important, that people, when people come to your channel, they subscribe to your channel. That would help you grow. You don't have to overdo it though, but you appeal for support. They should like your videos, they should comment on your videos, they should share your videos. That's one way your subscribers can support your channel. As a new channel, you want your channel to grow, you plead with them, you appeal to subscribers, you appeal to your viewers to subscribe, to support your channel by commenting, by liking, and by sharing. Then the next thing we are going to look at is getting your first 100 subscribers immediately. Getting your first 100 subscribers immediately. You have friends, you have family on WhatsApp, on social media. Number one here, I said ask friends via WhatsApp and Facebook. Number two, beg friends via WhatsApp and social media. Number three, tells friends to subscribe using WhatsApp and social media. This is to let you know the importance of WhatsApp and Facebook or other social media networks. You have your friends and family members on WhatsApp. When you make your first video, introductory video, share it with them on WhatsApp, share with your family members, share with your friends, ask them to subscribe to your channel. If you have, like, say maybe a thousand friends on Facebook, 2,000 friends on Facebook, ask your friends to please subscribe to your channel. If it means going to their inbox to send in the link to your channel where they can subscribe, you can send the link to your channel to them via inbox on Facebook. If they can, because when you post it on Facebook, of course you have to post it on your Facebook wall, or you have to update your Facebook wall with your channel, asking your friends to subscribe. But many of them will not see this, so you can actually go to their inbox one after the other to ask them, to plead with them to subscribe to your channel. So with WhatsApp and Facebook, you can get your first 100 subscribers within 24 hours or 48 hours. It's that simple. It's that simple. You can get your first 100 subscribers within 24 to 48 hours of your setting up your YouTube channel and making your first introductory video. Then also, you can as well share this your first introductory video on social media pages and groups. If you own social media pages like Facebook pages, you can share on your pages. Even if you don't own Facebook pages, I'm sure you belong to some Facebook groups. Share your video in the groups that you belong to. If you don't belong to groups that you think that will be interested in what you're giving out, go and find groups that are related to what you intend to do. Go and find groups that are in the same niche with what you're doing or what you intend to do. Join these groups on Facebook, and when after you join them on Facebook, share your video in these groups, and you'll be surprised how many people that would watch your video from how many people that will come from Facebook to watch your video, and eventually the number of subscribers you will get from there. Then afterwards, the third thing we're going to look at is the last one there. You are shy and you don't have confidence to speak. My very simple technique will start you speaking in 7 days or less. We'll leave this topic for our next discussion, for our next video. In our next video, I'm going to show you this very simple technique that I use and I've been encouraging people to use, that will start you speaking in 7 days or less. For so many people, when you tell them to start their new YouTube channel, they tell you, I don't know what to say. Or tell you, I'm shy on camera, or I wouldn't know how to start at all. I used to be shy. I never could have done this, but I have this very simple technique that will get you speaking in 7 days or less. So look out for my next video, and also I'll be giving you I will let you know how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, and that's getting you towards monetization, the first 1,000 subscribers. So check out my next video, and remember to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you get notified when I put out this next video. Subscribe to my channel now. If you are watching this video up to this moment, that means you're interested in what I'm saying. You want to make money from YouTube. Anybody can do this. I'm not going to teach you to do anything extra. Those simple things that you do every day, that's what you're going to be doing too. But then I would help you to create content out of these things that you do every day and upload them on your YouTube channel, and eventually, by the grace of God, make a lot of money out of it. So this is where we're going to stop for today. Look out for our next video, and I'm sure You are going to make it eventually. I believe anybody can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. I already have students who are doing well already, who've created their first videos, who've created their new channels and their first videos, and they're doing well already. We can do this all together. So see you in my next video. Peace.